Ahoy mga ka-T-shirt! It's me again, Mike V, your T-shirt guy, to give you personal development topics and IT and tech stuff. So today, we will be having tips kung ano nga ba yung setup natin, no? With regards to vlogging. So kung interesado ka sa topic na to, please stay tuned mga ka-T-shirt.
I get up, I get up, can't deny it. I get up, I get up.
Dahil March ngayon, it's my birthday. However, tumasa naman yung pandemic and all sorts of stuff. Lahat ng mga plano ko, kumikislap-kislap siya. With regards to birthday celebration sana during this vlog, nasilat o hindi natuloy. So, ngayon, bahay-bahay na lang muna tayo. Pero thanks to Team Wario for giving me a wonderful cake. T-shirt guy cake. Yan, kita-kita nyo naman, T-shirt guy cake. So, napaka-creative nila. So, thank you, Team Wario, for this one. Every cake, kailangan nating i-blow. So, wish muna tayo. So, ang wish ko, sana we will have 500 subscribers here in our YouTube channel. So, without further ado, let's go with the content. Okay, marami nagtatanong sa akin, ano ba yung setup natin with regards to the vlogging? Paano ba mag-start? Kailangan ba high-end yung mga gamit natin? Or ano ba yung mga gamit na pwede nating pagtiyagaan muna? No? Just to start lang. Unang-una, nag-start ako sa old school na Canon 1300. No? A very basic camera siya. Mga ganun siya na model. So, very old school na camera na siya. And then, we decided to buy a new camera. So, ang camera natin is papakita natin. Itong nasa vlog natin. You might see it. The unboxing of this camera. It is the Sony A6 6100. So, yun yung camera na binili natin. Yung may autofocus na tinatawag. So, as much as I love it, no, kung ano yung expectation namin with regards to that camera, nakukuha namin talaga. So, na-maximize namin. Kaya, it's easier for me to create 4K videos and napakadali niyang gamitin. And then, I have also yung mga vlogs ko na, no, yung mga gala-gala. So, hindi pala ganun ka-handy yung camera. So, I decided, nung una kong dala yung camera, sobrang bulky, sobrang hirap dalhin, no? Hindi siya gano'n ka-flexible. So, I decided to use my mobile phone, which is Samsung phone, no? A50 will do, no? And hindi ko sinasabi na S20 yung gamitin nyo, pero yung mga A50 series, napakaganda na. And then yung mga Realme na mga ranging around 5,000 to 6,000. Okay na yun. Hindi na kailangan maging super mahal pa ng mga phones nyo. Kasi right now, yun naman talaga bentahin ng mga phones yung camera itself. So, yun. And then, plus, I have the tripod, no? Yung mga, kahit yung mga 200, 300 pesos na Gorilla Pod, no? Na pwede nyo maging handy-handy, no? Para maging sturdy yung mga shoot nyo. So, pwede nyo bilhin nyo, no? Para to match to your mobile phones. So, yun yung basic setup. However, may mga nakikita ako mga vloggers na hindi nakafocus doon sa audio nila. Di ba? Parang mas naririnig pa nila mas naririnig pa yung background music instead of what you are conveying. Napaka-importante kasi when you are starting a vlog na napakalinaw or napaka-clear nung audio mo for you to convey things na you want to share with people. So, kung ako sa inyo, you buy a Boya lapel mic or lavalier, yung tawag nila. So, itong lapel mic na to is very handy. Yan. Masyadong mahaba yung wire niya. So, pwede mong dalhin. Pero kung hindi pa ganun laki yung budget nyo to buy a Bluetooth Rode microphone, ito, napaka-handy nito kasi ranging to 560 pesos ito. So, yan. Pwede nyo mabili sa Henry's or sa Lazada, no? Pero watch out doon sa Lazada kasi may mga peke. So yan, yung boya na lavalier or yung boya na lapel mic. So napaka-handy nito. Tsaka crisp din yung kanyang sound. Tandaan nyo na, napaka-importante ng ating microphone kasi if you want to convey something, kailangan may clear kayo na audio, no? Kaya please invest on your microphones, no? And then, of course, bumili dapat kayo ng tripod na pwedeng paglagyan ng mga bagay-bagay katulad ng camera, no? Pero lahat ng mga tripod kasi you need this one. So ito yung parang camera holder or phone holder. Ayan, yung phone holder na yan. So very important to. 142 pesos lang to sa Lazada. So napaka-handy nito, lalo na kung gusto mo na yung camera mo is yan. Ito naman yung panggamit ko for TikTok. So yung Siomai na tripod, makikita nyo rin dito. Yan, yung Siomai na ano natin kung gusto nyo bumili niya. Pero very pricey yan. Kung meron kayo makita sa Lazada na the same ng tripod na to, please get and buy one, no? So yan, and then I have also lighting, no? Yung lighting natin na siguro around 800 to 1,000 pesos yung lighting, no? Para lang magkaroon ng maganda or clear na atmosphere yung videos nyo. So very important yung lighting as well. So I think yun lang, and then of course you will be needing an external memory, no? It's either external memory sa phones or external memory sa camera nyo. So kailangan nyo ng SD card, no? Mura lang naman yung mga 16 gig or 32 gigs na camera ngayon, ranging 200 to 400 pesos. Depende sa brand. So yun, napaka-importante niyan para hindi kayo makat doon sa content shooting nyo. You need a handful of memory space kasi napaka-demanding sa memory space or storage yung recording of videos. Okay? And then of course, you need to have an editing app. Yung editing app nyo is kung computer yung gamit nyo, Adobe Premiere Pro yung gamit natin. So we will have another day of tutorial siguro dyan. I will share also one of our tips or tricks, no, when it comes to editing. And then of course, if you are using your phone, you might use a KineMaster, you might use a UCut app, or you might use your editing app lang sa internal na phone, no? Maraming ganyan na mga application right now sa phone na pwede kayo magtahi-tahi ng mga bagay-bagay, no? Yung app na yun, no? UCut, yung YOUCUT, UCut, or a KineMaster. So pangit kasi sa KineMaster, meron siyang watermark, or yung ibang mga apps na yan may mga watermark. Itong sa UCut, walang watermark. Magkakaroon tayo ng separate tutorial doon sa UCut siguro some other time, siguro next week. Dalawa yung i-share namin sa inyo na editing ways, no? Yung una, yung sa phone, and then yung pangalawa, yung sa computer. I think yun lang. And of course, for our outro, importante na meron kayong mga gadgets na tulad nito for you to start. Pero the most important thing talaga when it comes to vlogging is your content, no? Maraming mga vloggers ngayon na gusto lang masaya and so on. So ituloy nyo lang yan, shoot lang kayo ng shoot, upload lang kayo ng upload until such time na you hone your skills, you hone your content, at ma-realize nyo kung ano talaga yung tamang content for you guys. So napaka-importante niya, no? Para sa akin kasi, this is the content that I have, this is the content that I want. So dito tayo nagte-test the waters, testing the waters. However, syempre hindi perfect yung mga concepts natin, and mukhang hindi pumapatok sa madla. Kaya hanggang ngayon 400 subscribers pa rin tayo, pero naniniwala ako na time will tell, ma-hit lang natin yung certain content na patok sa paningin ng mga subscribers. You will reap all of those things, no, sooner or later. So napaka-importante lang na parating ang mindset natin is to continue what you have started and what your vision will be, no? Napaka-importante niyan. So tandaan, hindi kailangan mahal, kailangan lang is magagamit mo at saka kapaki-pakinabang sa inyo, no? It's not on the brand parate, okay? It's about how you create your content and how frequent you create your content. Dun tayo parate. So, yun lang sa tingin ko, and hopefully we could have more stable and frequent uploads moving forward kasi medyo maraming nangyari. Hindi ako ganun ka-motivated din during those past few weeks dahil sobrang busy. So, ngayon, hopefully we can start anew. We can start uploading religiously. Pero I don't want to promise na kasi hindi natin alam kung ano mangyayari next week or the following weeks. Bigla-biglang may urgent, bigla-biglang may mangyayari or something. So, again, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for staying and watching my videos. I'm very thankful na ito, 2021 na, and you still watch my videos. I'm very honored and appreciative to your efforts. So, keep safe everyone, lalong-lalo na ngayon na 7,000 COVID cases, new COVID cases na yung nangyayari sa Philippines, and we are in the spike level. We are on the second or third wave na already. So, please stay at home and binge watch lang Netflix and YouTube and all sorts of things. Please stay at home para hindi lumala yung mga cases natin, and see you next week for another T-Shirt Guy vlog.